can't wait. It looks so pretty. Who is she? Oh my god. Hello and welcome to my bathroom today. So we're gonna go ahead and use I&H hair ponytails. And I'm really excited, and those ads are getting after me, I tell you. So then, okay, so this one is Shayla. Yep, Shayla Black Brown, if you can see there. Shayla Black Brown. So I'm excited to go ahead and use it. And as you can see, I have a lot of like baby hair. So I think I'm gonna start out with like trying to tame my baby hair first and then go for the rest. Because I did try this once upon a time, and when I did my baby hair and stuff, everything went back and wasn't as cute because I do have a lot of baby hair that I can make it cute. Does it make sense? What I'm trying to say is that like my baby hair were all gone already when I tried to do it. So I'm gonna try to lay them down first before I wipe them all back. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair. I&H did provide this pink silk headband, which is so appreciated. It's just so nice. I don't know if it's because I bought 3 ponytails or if they usually always give in their orders. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove all of my hair back and just leave my baby bangs, my baby hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and slick everything back for the most part. Here's my little bucket full of like hair tools and stuff that I use for my hair, skin and stuff like that. Mainly my hair, but with that, I have the toothbrush that I use to try to lay it down. And I have this. It's Shea Butter Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. I saw it on TikTok where a girl talked about it. He sold me. So go ahead and I'll just grab a little bit of it, as you can see, on the toothbrush. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on it. Try to style it. Maybe the fact that it looks a little greasy. Please don't mind see. Are you supposed to lay down your hair and then do foundation? Do foundation first and lay down your hair? I assume you would lay down your hair first, then do foundation. Okay, let me go ahead and just do the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna grab a little chunk to start out with to soothe this headpiece, the top part, and gradually build in it. Alright, so here I'm gonna go ahead and just try to slick everything back into my ponytail, and I will grab it and comb it, make it all look smooth and shiny. Yeah, I'm on the edge and I'm taking a dive. Going head first, hope I make it alright. Never looking back. I&H did provide this from what I saw on the TikTok. You have to go like this and wrap it over your head and let it rest for a bit. To lay down the hair. Cause some people out to fail. No matter how you take it's how I feel. What it do? It's nothing new. I do it on. So I'm gonna let that chill out for a bit. I'll be right back in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and unfold this. Who is she? Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on the ponytail. So I have to open it up quick. Wait, this is a proud moment. I'll be right back to show you quick. What do you think of my hair? What do you think of it? It's slicked, huh? I mean, I haven't done my baby hair that nice, but this is something to start out with. It's my first time opening it, and I'm kind of excited because, and it's like secure. So I have to go and cut it. I'll be right back. So this is the ponytail hair extension. It's a little magnetic. I can't wait. It looks so pretty. And also they give you 2 bobby pins, if you can tell, to help pin it down. I learned this from Chris Appleton, I believe, Kim Kardashian's hair person, and he said that to keep the ponytail in strong, he usually puts a braid. So I don't know if you're supposed to do it before or after, so we're gonna find out. But alright, so here you go. I love that it's elastic because that makes it so much easier to wrap around, make it tighter. Okay. So we are going to take it to the head. And then we're going to wrap it around. It's tight.
Almost started but trying to retire. When you've been down, you can only go higher. They say they hate me, they only admire.
And we're going to grab the extra ponytail extension part.
Better together like ketchup and mustard. We used to the beef and it all. Been at my lowest, I sleep in the car. Don't matter the goals, I reach for the stars. Do for my brothers, don't do for no other. Been stuck in the gutter like leaves in the fall. Woo. I don't avoid it, I jump in and take these L's. I just get back on my feet and do it for real.
Ta-da!
People don't push me, and even though I fail, I'ma get back up. I'ma get back up. I don't avoid it, I jump in and take these L's. I just get back on my feet and do it for real. People don't push me, and even though
I
fail,
love
I'ma
it.
get back up.
It looks so crazy. But that's the best part, when it's a little crazy, a little different. Who is she? Oh my gosh. Who is she? Wait. Let me catch a Caesar. Samyang! 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 Stop! Come here. Come here. Come here, please.
Wait.
What do you think? Is this crazy? Do you like the curls? Is it too crazy?
I like it. It's
Really? Are my curls too crazy? But I do like this curly one.
Yeah, you look good, bro.
How would you tell me? Like curly ponytail extension?
Dude, dog, how many girlfriends do I have now? I have like 5 different girlfriends now.
Bye. Thank you for tuning in to this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked it. If you guys do, go ahead and subscribe, follow, and like. And I will be doing more experiments and trying new things. Thanks. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.